What's the matter? Are you scared to talk? It's not like it's recording you. It's just recording the screen.
Yeah, but it can also hear us.
No, it can't. Not this one.
Yes, it can.
No, it can't.
It can't?
No.
So I can talk like this and it won't hear me?
You can talk.
How do you know?
Because I've recorded my screen before.
So what? Work? I think the Triple Bomb boss is about to come.
No, not yet.
Slow it down when I place the first balloon. Now it's about to come. I'm gonna place the balloon down now. Now it is. I think, isn't it? No.
Yeah, this is it. Boom. Boom.
We didn't quite take the tower.
No, but that was a badass pop, though.
Yeah.
It definitely evened it up. I'll give it at that.
I want this to get sent to like a famous YouTuber so we can get.
And
like,
look, now they're trying their famous push again. Boom. Skeleton
Yeah,
army.
but we somehow took it out.
Yeah, somehow. Shit. That was strategy, man. Whether you know it or not, yes, that was strategic.
Oh, I can reach it.
Ooh.
Yeah, watch.
Yeah, and
I
you
didn't
missed
quite
this
get
one.
the clone,
You missed
yeah.
it. But it smacked the tower. That's what did it.
Yeah,
Game
see,
over.
then the clone right there.
Bam.
I'm serious. I want that to get shared to like a famous YouTuber. To get sent in to be like previewed.